Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 23rd of September. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, the major talking point all came from Japan. We saw the monetary policy statement released, and the Bank of Japan basically said that they expect short and long-term policy rates to remain at present, and that's going against all other major central banks who are increasing their rates. The Bank of Japan is remaining firm and staying where they are. They will take additional easing steps without hesitation as needed, they also stated. And thirdly, major point was that they will be vigilant to financial markets, FX moves, and the impact on Japan's economy. Consequently, yesterday, the Japanese government acted on those threats and they intervened in the FX markets by aggressively selling the US yen in order to maintain the strength in their own currency. As a result, US yen swung around about 500 pips in 45 minutes, with the Swiss yen the largest mover of the majors, over nearly 750 pips in 45 minutes. So that all happened yesterday. So any yen traders would have experienced huge amounts of volatility in their accounts. So that's the reason for that. On other news, we saw from the UK, the interest rates decision was unanimous. They did increase their interest rates again to 2.25%. It was widely forecasted, not much movement for the pound in yesterday's market. That's pretty much all that's happened yesterday. So let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning it's our own Aussie dollar against the US dollar. If you see from the chart that I'm showing you here, there is an area of support down here on this line. The market has come to this level on two previous occasions and shot off. The question is, can it happen again for a third time? So naturally, what I'm going to look for is sign of reversal. I'm highlighting these two candles. The very little one right there, that's this morning's candle. It is only around about an hour and a half into formation. If this candle should complete as an inside candle, so let's say it stays inside the parameters of the previous candle, this one here, that would be an inside candle, and then that would be a trigger for us on Monday morning to place our pending orders at the break of the inside candle to become buyers. So let's see if this one plays out for us. Let's add it to our watch list. Today's chart of the day, the Aussie US dollar on a daily time scale. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have quite a bit of data starting at 5:15 our local time in Sydney. From Europe, we have the French Flash Services PMI number, which is due out. 15 minutes later, from Germany, we have the Flash Manufacturing number and the Flash Services PMI number due out. So a bit of volatility there, or a lot of news for the euro and euro traders. Other news at 6:30 from the UK, we have the manufacturing PMI and the Flash Services PMI, which are due out at 6:30. And then finally, at 11:45 in the evening from the US, we also have the Flash Services PMI number. And finishing up at 4 a.m. From the US, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking, and that pretty much wraps up the session. Quite a lot of data, so please look out for that so that you don't get caught up in anything that you do not want to be. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend and good trading. Bye for now.